This week's spelling words contain words that have the long O sound. Your first word is cube. Notice that I've attached a picture that shows the list of magic E words here, UE vowel team words here, and EW vowel team here. So number 1, cube. Number 2, June with a capital J. That's important because it's a month of the year. Number 3, mute. 4, hue. 5, cue. 6, tissue. 7, new. 8, do. 9, few. Red words. 10, sure. 11, beauty. 12, sugar. Get out a piece of paper. Let's write these together. The first words contain magic E words with the long vowel sound U, then a consonant, silent E at the end. So number 1 is cube. The cube is a 3-dimensional shape. Cube. Notice there's a silent E at the end. We call that the magic E rule. The E hops over one consonant, bops the vowel, makes the U say its name, which gives it a long sound. Cube. Number 2, June. This is the month of the year, so it needs a capital letter in order to be spelled correctly. Capital J, U, N, E. The month of June is in the summer. Mute. Please mute your mic when you're not talking. Mute. These words follow the UE vowel team pattern. So number 4, hue. H, U, E. There is a meaning for this word, which means color. So which hue of blue do you like? Kind of being like shade of blue. Number 5, Q. You need a cue stick to play the game of pool. Q. Number 6, tissue. I need a tissue to blow my nose. Tish. Then notice the UE vowel team comes at the end. By the way, my kiddos just got home from school. It could get loud, just giving you a heads up. The vowel team EW makes the OO sound. Number 6, new. As in something that's brand new. I wish I had a brand new swimming pool in my backyard. New. Number 7, dew. In the morning there was dew on the grass. Dew. There's a couple other types of the word do, like do your homework. That would be spelled D-O. Or what is the due date? Due, as in due date, would fall under the UE category, but it's technically not a spelling word this week. So number 8, few. Few is another way to say 3. I have a few ideas. Now for our red words for the week. And our red words are words that are great just to memorize the spelling of them so that when you see them in a book or when you're writing a sentence with them, you just know them. So the first red word is sure. It's a red word because when you hear sh, most of the time you think sh, but sure does not follow that rule. Number 11, beauty. B-E-A-U-T-Y. Beauty. Her beauty was known from coming inside her wonderful personality. Beauty. Number 12, sugar. Sugar is in many types of food. It's also considered a red word because when you say the word sugar, it sounds like shh. It's a rule breaker. That's why it's under the red word category. Write your words. Practice them for your spelling test on Friday. If you have written your words with me today, feel free to take a picture of them and save them to turn in for your assignment on Thursdays when you are supposed to submit one spelling activity. Okay, have a wonderful day.